Hey vibrant things, welcome to my channel. This video will be a get ready with me, which you already know. This is a self-care day. I was not feeling so good and I was real moody, so I was like, it's about me today. So right now I'm just putting my hair up in a pony and I'm doing my edges. The other side was easy, but for some reason this side is giving me a hard time. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm actually not good at doing my hair. I'm not good at doing my makeup, but I do what I can. Okay, so do not judge me. So I'm using a long skinny satin string that I took from my mom, or she gave me years ago. Thanks, Mom. Anyways, it's the only way I put my hair in a ponytail. Plus, I've popped so many regular hair ties that I don't even try anymore. So let me fix this edges again, because for some reason they just messed up. So you got retouch, and boom, pow, done. And we're moving on to the makeup, and I'm using Fenty Skin on the face, of course. Why would I not? And my makeup brushes, if you care to know, is from Marshalls, because I love Marshalls. And right now I'm just doing a light, simple, everyday, nothing special, natural look. Bring out the natural beauty in you, you know, it's something slight. Because this is for me, it's a self-care day, so I'm doing all this for me, and this is good enough for me. Now that I've scrabbled on my face, I'm going into blend, because you know you got to blend, honey. Blend, baby. Blend up your cheekbones and blend down your neck. Okay, blend down your neck. Don't forget that. Okay, and then you get all the other areas of importance. I don't need to tell you. It's common sense. Okay, do it. You know I got blend contour my nose because I got a little button nose, so I'm gonna slim that out a little bit, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Slim it out, blend it in, and of course I gotta put some finishing spray on my sponge to get the under eyes so it's no creasing and it's smooth and long lasting out of that, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't like that dry. It gets dry and cracky sometimes, and that's why I gotta do that. So I chose to do a self-care day today because I've been stressed, dealing with a lot, honey, trying to juggle a lot for myself personally, and just trying to reach a lot of goals. You know how that gets, it gets stressful. So I decided today I was going to relax my body, don't press myself, just do or don't do anything that I wanted to do today. So this is what I chose to do. And right now I'm just using my mascara to prep my lashes, to put on my faux lashes that you're about to see in this next clip. But I do like that mascara. It does give my natural lash, you know, a little plumpness, you know what I'm saying? But we're definitely gonna put on some lashes, and I just realized I had a bunch of glue in it, and I was like, ugh, I got to clean that out first. Okay, clean your lashes, clean them, please, it's necessary. So this one went on so easy, just like the edges. One side did great, the other side did not, as you all understand. But I like these lashes, but why did I realize after this that the other side was so flat? So I went off screen and fixed that, came back on, and you'll see the aftermath. Now I'm finishing with my Pacifica setting spray, and you see that she's looking natural and cute. You know, you gotta moisturize the lip with the lip balm. And then I'm gonna add the vegan milk brand lip and cheek balm. Love it, light pink. And boom, pow, done. Thanks for watching.